Tonight we're going to talk about rounding numbers with and without decimals. When we round a number, that just means that we're going to find a simpler number nearby that we can talk about. For example, in this case, $4.12 can be rounded to $4 because it is near $4. In the number 2,197, I'm going to round to the nearest hundreds. What does that mean? I want to look at the hundreds place. Remember, this is the hundreds place, the tens place, the ones place, and of course this is the thousands place. Right now I'm going to circle the digit in the hundreds place. Tell me what number I should circle. I'll wait. Did you say the 1? Yes, the 1 is in the hundreds place. Now I'm going to put an arrow on the digit to the right of the number I circled. So I'm going to put an arrow right above the 9 pointing to the 1. The 9 is in the tens place. Now I'm going to ask myself, what is the 9 asking the 1 to do? Is it telling it to stay the same or to go up? Well, have you ever heard the phrase 5 or above, give it a shove? That means the number to the right of the number I'm looking at, so this number 9, which is to the right of the 1, is telling it whether it should go up or stay the same. Do you think the 9 is telling it the 1 to go up or stay the same? In this case, the 9 is telling the 1 to go up, so our new number will be 2,200. I hope you're asking yourself right now, Ms. Pfeffer-Hahn, please prove it. If I have the number 2,197, I can prove that it should round up by making a simple number line. And on this simple number line, I'm going to put the number as it stays the same at 2,100, or if it rounds up to 2,200. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to find the number in the middle. If I have 2,100 at this end and 2,200 at this end, I need to find out what's in the middle. Between 2,100 and 2,200, the number directly in the middle is 2,150. Now, let's look back at our original number up here, 2,197. I need to figure out where on the number line is this going to go. Is 2,197 going to be between here and here? Well, no, it's larger than 2,150. So is it going to be somewhere up here? It is, but where is it going to go on the number line? You point to it right now. I'll wait. Did you point somewhere up here? Because 2,197 is very close to 2,200. In fact, it's only 3 numbers away from it. Can you see that 2,197 is much closer to 2,200 than it is to 2,100? Let's try another number. I'm going to try the number 4,816. I'd like you to draw a number line. I'll draw one here too. On your piece of paper, go ahead and fold that paper into fourths and draw a number line on it. And then in a minute I'll tell you what to do. Hit pause and come back. Okay, did you fold your paper into fourths and draw a number line in the first quadrant? What I would like to do is I would like to round to the nearest 10. So I'm going to circle the 1, which is in the tens place, and I'm going to put an arrow above the 6 because that's the number deciding if our 10 is going to go up or stay the same. Now, let's put some numbers on our number line. If this number is going to stay the same, it's going to look like this, 4,810. Because we're rounding to the tenths place, that 1 will stay the same and the 6 disappears. But if it goes up, it's going to be 4,820. Again, you can see how the 10 stays the same and 20 goes up. Now, what's the first thing we have to do? We have to put the number in the middle. So in this case, the number in the middle would be 4,820. 815. That would be between 810 and 820. Now, I'm going to hit pause, and I want you to draw this number and number line, and then I want you to put 4,816 on the number line, wherever you think it goes. Go ahead and push pause and then come back. Where did you put 4,816? Did you put it right here? 4,816. It is greater than 4,815 and less than 4,820. So now I have to ask myself, did I put it closer to 4,810 or 4,820? What do you think? What did you round this number to? Did you round it to 4,820? If you did, you got it right. Let's try another. No matter how big our number is, for example, 27,841, it doesn't change anything we're going to do. In this case, if I want to round to the nearest thousands, all I need to do is circle my thousands. So which digit is in the thousands place? The 7 is in the thousands place. And once again, I'm going to put an arrow above the digit to the right, which in this case is an 8. I'm going to make my number line. And when I say stay the same, I mean that these two numbers will stay the same, then a comma, then everything else is going to get a 0. Let's see what that's going to look like. In this case, 27,841 will become 27,000. And if it goes up, it will become 28,000. The only thing that changes is what digit I circle and the digit that tells that circled number what to do. Again, I'm going to find the number that goes in the middle between 27,000 and 28,000. You push pause, draw this number line, and then fill in this part right here and tell me what number is going to go here. What number did you put here in the middle? Between 27,000 and 28,000 is 27,500. That's the number between those two. So now I have to look back again at my number, 27,841, and place it on my number line. 8,041 would be approximately right there. So my number, 27,841, is going to come again at this end of the number line. What do you think this number is going to round to? Go ahead and circle the number you think it rounds to. Did you circle the 28,000? You'd be correct. Let's try another. This will be in the third quadrant of your paper. Remember, it doesn't matter the size of the number. Even something like 41,399. Same thing is going to happen. We need to know what number we're rounding to. Again, in this place, I think I'm going to round to the thousands, which means the hundreds place is going to tell us what to do. Go ahead and make your own number line and fill in the number that goes here and the number you believe goes in the middle. Hit pause, do all of that, and then push play again. What numbers did you put here? If it's going to stay the same, you're going to have at this end 41,000, because we're rounding to the thousands, and at this end would be 42,000. I'm wondering what number you put in the middle. Did you put 41,500 in the middle? Where do you think that the number 41,399 goes on this number line? Well, it goes about right here because it is less than 41,500. So 41,399 goes below 41,500, in which case that means we're going to round to 41,000. How would this change if we had a number like 19 and 27 hundredths? If I wanted to round to the nearest tenth, I would circle my tenth, point to the number, and now when I make my number line, what are the two choices at each end? Draw your number line, hit pause, and see if you can figure out this problem. At this end would be 19 and 20 hundredths, and at this end would be 19 and 30 hundredths. In the middle would be 19 and 25 hundredths, and I'm going to place 19 and 27 hundredths here. What number is this going to round to? 19 and 30 hundredths. For your final assignment, go ahead and turn over your piece of notebook paper and round to each of these numbers that I'm underlining. So you're going to write each of these numbers in one in each quadrant. You're going to draw your number line, put the two possible choices at each end, put the midpoint value, and then you're going to put the number on the number line. Bring this with you to school. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.